course, because, you know, it's kind of like an addiction. Can we say that? It would be like some people are drawn to other things. I'm drawn to Dollar Tree, and that will be my weakness. It'll be like, oh, you know, if they'd put a bar in there, if they'd put a gambling place in there, I'd have been just fine. But when you put a Family Tree or Family Dollar and a Dollar Tree together, and you put it 8 blocks from maybe 9 blocks, I think I missed one, 9 blocks from my house, guys, I can jump in my golf cart and go to Dollar Tree. Isn't that the most amazing thing ever? It's like, there is one good point to it, and that's because now I don't have to go out of town to go to a Dollar Tree, and I don't have to stockpile, because I can just go in there and buy it anytime, and I'm not worried about it ever running out, because our store was insanely packed. It was unreal. But of course, it just opened today, so that makes the difference. But the amount of things that they had, it was just, you know how they put stuff on the long things, like the signs, just packed. They couldn't get another sign on them, and they still have tons of Valentine's Day. It was amazing. Let me pull up my comments over here. Hi, Kathy. The Dollar Tree sickness. You know, I meant to say, it used to be our grocery store, and then our grocery store closed down about 2 years ago, and I'm still gonna miss, I still would rather have the grocery store than the Dollar Tree, to tell you the truth, because we do have a Dollar General, and when you compare the two, as far as the food that they have, you know, the convenient food and that stuff, they both have the same thing, except I don't have to get in my car. Dollar General's out right on the interstate, so you got to drive out there a couple miles. So it's inconvenient. It's overpacked. Stuff's falling in the aisle. Of course, the store is new, so 2 carts could pass in the aisle. It was like, wow, they have beautiful bathrooms. I mean, the whole thing is amazing. So I'm pretty excited, and I decided though, it's not a place to take kids. So, you know, when your kids are younger, you just don't take them shopping with you, because they have those little baskets for one thing. And when you're Porter's age, you want to just sit and fill the basket, and you don't know what's all in there. So Brittany's having to sort through his basket. Paisley, everything she sees, I want this, can I have this, can I have this? So it's one of those times where, you know, as kids, we never got to go to the grocery store very often, because we couldn't go without saying we wanted everything. So that's going to be the same problem with grandkids. Hi, Sheila. Hi, Carrie. But, hi, Janet and Amy. So, you guys saw me go to the Dollar Tree when I was doing my sleep study Monday night. Well, they had all of that stuff that I showed you and more. If you missed my video today, you need to go back and watch it. And then when I went back with my husband and the grandkids today, I saw the Dollar Tree Plus section of Valentine's Day. I'm done painting Valentine's Day, but if that stuff had been in there when I was in there, their love signs were like this big. I did not pick them up and look at them, but they had some really nice things that that were more than the $1.25. So they only had the Valentine stuff, but all the little crafty things, the whole bit. Let's see. The printer's in the garage, yay! Hi, Lee. All right, so what I bought, look at this. I know there's something I can do with it, either something to jazz this up, but oh, it looks backwards to you. I still can't flip my camera for some reason. I need to Google that. I can't. Okay. So, cute carrot signs, and I'm really impressed with the quality of their cardboard anymore. And then look at this one. Isn't that one cute? And then I had bought the wood blanks, but they did not have carrots the other day. They got carrots now. If you guys need some wood blanks or something and you can't find it, I guarantee you I've got it and I can mail it to you, because that stack of carrots is probably like this long. Tons of it. So they had the carrots. And then for Valentine's Day, of course, I'm going to totally repaint mine. But for what I do to paint on something and then remake it, these are perfect. And they're perfect for people who just want to practice. And it's the bigger mason jar for $1.25. Another carrot. Now those are pieces. I made a chick the other day. I ordered some yellow feathers on Amazon. I went home to take them out of my cart and I'd already pushed by. So I may send those feathers back and use these. Look at the yellow and white beads with the tassel on them. A little chick on one end. Don't know what I'll do with them, but they are cute. Training on Monday and Tuesday, yay! I will not be selling the bunnies tonight. I don't have them back yet. I've got to finish that gray one. I will be having bunnies hopefully by the end of next week. The one in our big town did not have the carrots either. Hi, Peggy. So, let's see. Oh, and they have carrot ones, the orange. And these would be cute for the, I'll show you the rabbit I painted last night. And then I did get a couple things of ribbon. I need to put them around their necks. Okay, then I was trying to find something to make something out of only Dollar Tree things that looked good. So I got a couple pieces of wood, and I know for $1.25 that was pretty expensive considering we've got a whole burn pile over there. But look at the rabbit. I didn't need this stuff, except I need the carrot. I can put the rabbit on something else, but let me show you what I'm going to do with this carrot. I tried to take it off of the old paper and it didn't work. But I can repaint this. And last night, I stayed up till 4 o'clock this morning because I'm in Damon Oates' coaching group, and he's doing a creative wreath thing now. And for those of us in the mastermind, we were able to make a short tutorial to kind of collect emails and things like that. So after they're done with it, I'm going to put a free tutorial here on my page for you guys, because I just sent them a copy of it. So you guys are going to get a free tutorial on how to paint this cute rabbit. And I did it quickly. In fact, the whole video is only 24 minutes, and that's with an introduction. And I kept it simple. I kept, I didn't do the regular shading as I did. And then I also added this to it because that little carrot came from Dollar Tree too. So you just glue him right there. He needs a bow around his neck, and you have that. And so buy these if you see them from Dollar Tree. So this is all Dollar Tree. But what I was telling the ladies in the group, because not everybody has a way to cut wood. So I thought, we're going to make a rabbit like this with the cut wood. But this carrot's fine, but, oops, I have to sand that because my corner's coming off. But look at that. Then it's an even bigger carrot. So you took it off of this sign. So now you can use that rabbit on something else. Now you got a bigger carrot. What I was looking for in the gardening spot, because you should see the gardening stuff, the gnomes, the pots, the fairy garden stuff. It's unreal. But I was looking for a little fence. Remember, you know those little plastic things that you stick? They didn't have any. But I could use that and stick it in the back. I could run this board behind him. Let me see if I can hold it all. So, even if you didn't have anything, here you go. Actually, how did I? Oh, like that. All right, let me put down the thing. Then you get the second piece of wood. You put him right like that, and now he's on a base. And now I can fill it with whatever I wanted. I could put some, Easter grass down here at the bottom. I didn't buy the Easter grass because I thought I would use the Spanish moss. But then you take, like your little carrots. They have small chicks. They have several different small pieces that I can't find at the moment. Oh, and these I bought today, these little gnomes on a banner. But let's see, you could do anything. You could drape some of your beads on there. They would look so cute. And you have a shelf sitter and you didn't have to buy no wood. So as soon as they're done with that tutorial, I'm going to put it here on my page and you guys can download it. So, and then I already had some of these, but our store was stocked with these rabbits. And so I painted it in brown as well. So look how cute. And if I could find a little plastic fence to go behind him, it would look even, oh. You know what? It wouldn't be as tall, but I think I could take those tongue depressor things and I think I could glue them around this back base and make my little fence. And then they had a lot of those little fairy lights. I could put fairy lights on it, make them really cute. So that's my plans with these rabbits. Is I'll go ahead and use the wood that I've got that usually goes in the burn pile. Because I've got a lot of strips of wood, like this. I had painted this one, but I got tons of these. But I wanted to show somebody how to do it with only Dollar Tree. Make something really cute. So I will be making that tomorrow. And then, what else did I get? I think that's it. I didn't have to overstock because, you know what? Well, I spent $150 there on Monday, so I didn't need a whole lot. But, yeah, now I can just buy one or two and go 8 blocks down the road, and I got a Dollar Tree. I can just buy it as I need it. That takes care of having to, go out and buy a bunch because you don't know when you're going to be back. So, and you can do the same thing. They've got these little flowers, this flower. Any of that stuff will go on there good. And then you want to see what you can do with the egg. Check this out. So these are the little eggs that you can get at Dollar Tree. They come like 6 in a package for $1. And then I painted the egg as a chick. So you could do the same thing. You would have to, cut off a little bit at the bottom so that it stood on a base. But it would be so cute. And now that I have ribbon, I wouldn't have to paint the ribbon on his head. I could just use regular fabric. So some great ideas on what to do with Dollar Tree stuff. And so I'm pretty excited. They did have, I'm going to make a rabbit in a tan as well. And they had a bunch of these uptown, but I bought these on Monday. And I'm going to figure out how to put a wreath rail on there. I think those will be cute. So that's pretty much it for my haul today. So it's gonna be odd. I can just walk in, buy one or two that I need, pass the rest. With all that stuff, can you imagine what it's going to be like when they get their Christmas stuff in? It's like, wow. I mean, they dedicated probably 4 or 5 aisles to seasonal stuff. My husband walks in here and he goes, oh, this is bad. This is bad. This isn't a place that you need to go very often. But at least they got milk and eggs, which we've been needing here in town. I was disappointed. I was hoping they would have produce because we don't have produce here. But we got a great butcher shop. We got a great Dollar Tree. We just don't got anything produce. Now we do have a farmer that comes in during the summer, but it's not summer. I do have a lot of work to do. I know, the chick is adorable, and it's just on the egg. Yeah, the paint sticks. I'm going to, Tammy, they're going to get printed on. They're working on those now. In fact, I got 2 different places sending me printed product next week. So we'll see what the difference is. All right, so that's it, ladies. I'm going to go. Inside of my Painting for Profits group, we are going to paint a denim jacket. Oh, let me show you these in case you missed these. I had it, oh, they're over there. So they have the little eggs, and you get 10 Easter eggs for $1.25. 10 carrots for $1.25. I got a lot of eggs. I don't know why I bought these, because now I got to repaint those. So I'm going to have lots of eggs. One evening I'm going to come on here and I'm just going to paint them in real pretty colors, and I'm going to personalize them and sell them that way. So yeah, all kinds of really cute stuff. So that, and we are going, I only have little kids' jackets. Let me show you. I ordered, oh, I was sitting on it, no wonder. I was waiting for my screen printing ink to come, and it hasn't. So I had 3 jackets. I'm going to choose the one that one of my grandkids may wear. I don't know if I paint it, if they'll actually wear it again or not. And if I had given a choice, it would be Paisley, who would not wear it. That one. All right. So this is what we're going to paint tonight. Isn't this cute? So you guys saw this cow that I painted. I didn't like the moo part over here, so I'm going to paint this like a gray barn door and put moo on it. So move over.